You're in control of your mind. It's your mind, so you decide what you think.
Whenever you think you can't, confidence comes from the thing that you built. You must build belief. You must build confidence.
Every person alive is a warrior, whether they know it or not. For each person goes to battle in their own personal way, every single day. The only difference between each person, or better said, each warrior, is how great of a warrior they are. The better warrior they are, the more success they typically find in their life. What creates this difference in how strong and effective each warrior is? It is nothing more nor less than the strength of their warrior mindset. After years of research on developing a winning mindset, let me tell you the ways to do it, and also what we do every day to strengthen mind. In fact, these two most important skills to win from any situation in life.
Prepare yourself. Prepare and condition the mind in such a way that you are first of all not starting to run away. There are two things in that, let's say, warrior mindset, if you call it like this, to be avoided. Number one is to run away. Because running away means that whatever just came into your life, you can't learn from it anymore, because there is again distance between that new situation and yourself. And at the same time, there is no connection, meaning you can't have an influence on it. So therefore, number one, face it.
There are days where you don't feel like doing anything, and that's completely normal. It's not normal to not do anything at all. It's not normal to stay in bed all the time. You have to have a warrior mindset. This means you have to be willing to work for what you want, no matter how bad you don't feel like doing anything. The way you develop this mind is by having routines and sticking to that routine daily without anything getting in the way. Now, you want to do this for a period of time where you can see progress, but it's good to switch up your routines a little bit so that the process doesn't get boring.
And number two now, and this is also a quite difficult part, no one is born as a superhero. And nobody is naturally born as being a strong and confident personality. These are things that from time to time, from situation to situation, start to emerge from inside of you, because it's growing inside of you based on how you are behaving towards yourself. And now after finding yourself in a situation that is challenging to you, it also takes a different type of mindset to also be able to say that I'm not well prepared enough. I'm not good enough at the moment to take that challenge. And afterwards, prepare. So that means number one, don't run away. And number two, be honest to yourself. Those two things, if you keep them in mind and then just put time, effort into practice, I think is the key to step by step build something up about yourself.
Today, we're going to explore 4 powerful qigong postures that can promote instant healing in your body and mind. These postures come from ancient Shaolin wisdom and are often taught by Master Shi Heng Yi. Let's dive in and see how each one works and what benefits it brings. This posture grounds your energy, calms your nervous system, and brings you into the present moment. It's the posture of stillness, like a tree rooted in the earth. Many people experience a wave of peace or warmth flowing through the body within just a few minutes. This posture awakens your energy centers, especially the heart and lungs. It opens up your chest, improves breathing, and encourages the flow of qi energy through the meridians. It's great for emotional healing and heart-centered energy work. This movement opens the shoulders and lungs, releases emotional tension, and promotes circulation in the upper body. Many practitioners report a sense of emotional release and lightness after a few rounds. This posture helps you connect with universal energy, what qigong masters call heavenly qi. It's like an energetic shower that clears blockages, reduces stress, and strengthens your immune system. In qigong, healing is not magic. It is returning to your natural state. When breath, body, and intention align, healing becomes inevitable. These 4 postures are more than exercises. They are meditations in motion. Practice them, and over time, the body begins to whisper secrets. And one day, even the loudest pain becomes silent.